Mark, this vehicle comes with a paintless dent repair, okay?
What's
Now,
paintless dent repair?
You know what, you and about everybody I talk to says exactly the same thing. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been at a grocery store or a shopping mall or a restaurant or a church and come out after you ate or drank or went to a service and found that some rude son of a gun dinged or dented your vehicle?
Oh, yeah.
How'd it make you feel?
There's nothing you can do about it. I mean, you can't even turn it into your insurance.
So they did not leave a blank check and
No,
an apology note there
no.
for you? Okay. Let me ask you this. Did you ever get any of those dings or dents repaired?
I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't know what, it wasn't bad enough that I would, you know.
Well, you don't want to turn it into insurance because the deductible's probably going to be way higher than what the repair cost would be. But those little dings and dents add up, all right? A dime size one costs 60 or 70 bucks to fix. If it's credit card size, closer to 150. You know, you didn't pay to have those fixed, Mark, but you did pay for those dings and dents. Do you know how?
What do you mean?
Whenever you trade or sell a vehicle in, whoever's buying it, whether it's a car dealer or a private purchaser, they are going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for all those dings and dents. Because if they're going to remarket the vehicle, they're going to have to fix those.
Right.
So you did pay for it. But for the next 6 months, not to worry. Complimentary, we're going to provide you paintless dent repair coverage. We're going to give you 2 visits. We'll get you an unlimited number of dings and dents repaired. And by the way, if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, and I got a feeling you do, make sure you check with our finance managers. They can show you how to extend that coverage as well.
Okay.
Cool?
That sounds good to me.
Okay? Now, you need to make sure that the salespeople are saying that.
Yeah.
I mean, you need to get, you deserve to be set up.
A lot of times when they get to the office, they don't even have any idea what that, so then it's us going through. and
Right,
trying to
and,
explain
and
what
when
they
that
do.
happens, just count, you know, coach the salesperson, okay? They're not gonna remember it every single
Yeah,
time.
for sure.
But if you coach them every single time, pretty soon, it'll become part and
So
parcel.
what's it called in your office?